Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Continuity and Differentiability, one MCQ question. If the function g of x is given as k root x plus 1, x belongs to 0 and 3, mx plus 2 where x is 3. Now if you see this 2, the common number is 3, so it is differentiable with respect to 3. It is differentiable, then the value of k plus m is what? Now given that it is differentiable means, remember that the equal to, when we substitute 3, the equal to will be the same, and also if we differentiate and equate, it is same at x is equal to 3. Now directly we can substitute this is equal to this by substituting the common element of x, which is 3. So here it becomes root of 3 plus 1, which is equal to m into 3 plus 2. Now this is nothing but 4. Root 4 is 2, so 2k is equal to 3m plus 2. Now differentiating this, it becomes k x plus 1 the whole power half, which is equal to, differentiating this, it becomes m. Because they have given that it is differentiable, so differentiable value, it will be equal at all the elements. So if I differentiate this, it becomes m. The power will come in the front. The differentiation here is the power will come in the front. It will be reduced by minus half is equal to m. This can be written as k by 2 root of x plus 1. The half, as it is in minus sign, I am bringing it in the denominator. Half I am writing it as root. Now substituting the value of 3, this becomes k by 2 into this 3 plus 1 will become 2. So root 4, which is 2. So this becomes 4 is equal to m. This can be also written as k equal to 4m. So substitute k equal to 4m here. If I substitute here, it becomes 4 2s are 8m equal to 3m plus 2 and 5m equal to 2, m is equal to 2 by 5. So we have got the value of m as 2 by 5. If I substitute here, k will be equal to 4 2s are 8 by 5. So we have got the m value and the k value. If you substitute it here, it becomes, the denominator is same, so it becomes 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is m plus k equal to 10 by 5, which is nothing but 2. So 2 is your final answer for the sum, so which is option A. That's all with the sum. Thank you.